I went to a restaurant the other day and I wanted a dessert. To my surprise, the dessert that I wanted was like $16. Can you believe it for a dessert? It was a dessert this small. Guess what? I am doing that same dessert today on Cooking with Ciro. It's gonna be delicious, and you could probably feed a whole family for under $5. All right, y'all, we need 2 ingredients. Ice cream of your choice. I'm just using vanilla, keeping it classic. One of these jumbo cookie dough rolls. Beautiful, pre-made. Look at that. Nestle Dollhouse. Why are we using this? Well, easy. Who's got the time, y'all? Who's got the time to bake a skillet full of cookie dough right from scratch? I know I don't. I do not. You're gonna follow the heating instructions, but none of that making little cookie dough balls. None of that. We're gonna make one big cookie dough skillet. And this is gonna be very easy. Get some type of oil. We're gonna oil it up. If you have butter, you can butter it up. Step 1, done. All right, step 2, let's get our cookie dough. Step 3, put the cookie dough in the pan, massage it. Step 4, follow the instructions for the heating and time that's on the wrapper. This says 350 degrees for 10 to 11 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Pro cooking tip. I got my ice cream out from the freezer and I just set it on the counter while I'm doing all the prep. That way it thaws out a little bit so it's easier to scoop, okay? Pro tip. Look at that, y'all. All right, so I took out my cookie as per the instructions, and guess what? It wasn't ready. So I had to put it in for another 11 minutes. My thought is that since it was in a baking dish and it was a big, thick cookie, it just needs longer. My recommendation to you is whatever time it says on the packaging, probably double it, okay? Check it halfway through, but more than likely, you'll have to double it. Smells delicious. I'm gonna let it cool for about 10 minutes and then it'll be ready to assemble. All right, so my bright idea was to just dump the ice cream on here. My wife said that that's not a good idea. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put some cookie in here, put some scoops of ice cream, and then I'm gonna eat it. Delish. Look at that. Melting cookie, meet ice cream. Meet chocolate syrup. Look at that. Delicious. Like this video, share this video, all of that jazz. And if you didn't like this video, I'm gonna make another video. Go and like that video.